hello. How are you, Queens? Year one, hello. Hi, Queens. How are you doing? Bouncer, how are you doing? Good afternoon. Hi, kiddo. Hello, I am fine, thanks. It's good to hear. Where are you from, Queens? Where are you from? Hi, Rolls. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. USA. Oh, me, I'm from the Philippines. Do you have WhatsApp if you don't mind, please? I will message you there. Hi, Rolls. How are you, Rolls? Thank you, Queens. Queens, my message, it's not possible. You send your WhatsApp to me. Chino, hello. Paris, WhatsApp number or tele if you have. Rolls, what are you doing? Pleasure to meet you. Thank you. You send your WhatsApp now, so I will message you there. Love, hello. Kirito, hi. All my life, hello. You send it now. Your WhatsApp, guys. WhatsApp number. Guys, only one. Wait, Queens. Love, you tap the what if. The 1K. Oh, we're in the PH. Do you know Pampanga? Rolls, wait. You know Pampanga? Have you been there? Yeah. I know that. Love, you send your WhatsApp to me. May message here. It's not possible. Queens, I already messaged you on WhatsApp. Did you see? You send your WhatsApp, love. One, hello. Prince, hello. ID number, hi. Kiang, hello. Apo, hello. Apo Jesus, hi. Love, you send it your WhatsApp. Anton, hello. How are you, Anton? Yao, hello. Rex, hello. Edgar, hello. Love, did you send your WhatsApp to me? Your number? Patrick, hello. Okay, I will wait. Guys, help me to get this 1K. Arul, hi. Do you have work today, Queens? Wow, thank you. Thank you, Queens. Do you have work today? Or it's your rest day? Angela, how are you doing? Hi, too. Mash, hello. How are you, Mash? Good afternoon. Hi, Mash. How are you doing? I am good. I am good. So, where are you from? Oh, do you have WhatsApp, Mash? Do you have the WhatsApp, Mash? You send it to me, then I will message you there.